Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and I'm going to be swatching some acrylics for you today. It's not my docu-series. I know I'm like doing this on an off day. But I purchased some acrylics from Girls for Nails. Let me pull her card out so I can read it to you. And on Instagram, it's Girls for Nails, one word. No separations. YouTube, it's separate. Hey, just nailed it. I'm so happy that you wanted to try my acrylics. I hope you have so much fun with them. And thank you so much for your purchase. Lots of love, Girls for Nails. Check her out. Let her know that I sent you. Go check out her Instagram, her YouTube page, and give her a like, a share, and subscribe. So this is my purchase. They are double bagged. As you can see, she included for me as a little gift a glitter mix that she made called Cupcake. And I just think this is really pretty. Really, really pretty. It's got all kinds of colors in there. There are some shapes, but I can't make out what it is. Oh, stars. Oh, there's some other little goodies in there too I can't see. I will swatch this out as well. I'm not going to be swatching these on nails because the way she does her things, it's $1 a gram. So some of them I only purchased a gram and I didn't know how much that was. And as you can see, that's a gram right there. That's not much, and you lose product on the container, so I'll be swatching on some paper towels. So I'm going to get these opened, and I will be right back. Okay, here we go. You can get a look. We got, I think this is Rosetta. It's a really pretty pink. We've got a Springtime, and that's the name of it, Springtime. And this is really pretty green. Violet Love. Really pretty purple. Rose Petals. Another, this is like a darker pink, I think. Purple Galaxy. And Nighttime. So I'm going to swatch these out on some paper towel. Let you get a gander. So I got my monomer off to the side here. Let me move it just a little bit closer to me. And I'm going to start with Springtime. Excuse me for the time it takes me to open these babies up. Tap your brush. Dip in. I can't see. Whoops. That is a really, really pretty green. Really pretty. Whoops, I almost spilled it. Almost spilled it. So that is Springtime. Next we're going to go in with Rose Petals. Let me get it so you can see in the bag. I just can't judge distance too well sticking the brush in. Oh, that's really pretty. Really pretty. So again, that is Rose Petal. Our next is Rosetta. Or Rosette. Rosate. I'm not too sure how to pronounce it. Yeah, it's hard judging down in this bag. I'm getting too big of a bead, more than what I want to put out. I could have done a full nail with that one. It's really pretty though. Really, really pretty. Move that out. Close my little baggie back up. So how she sells these, they are $1 a gram. If you order 5, you get 2 free grams. If you order 5, I don't know if it's not 5 grams, but 5 colors, I think. I'm not really clear on that right now, even though I ordered it that way. This is Purple Galaxy. I'm having a hard time getting this bag open. Purple Galaxy. Oh, is that beautiful? Oh, that's a lot too. Good Lord. That is beautiful. Taking way more out than I should for swatching on a paper towel. That is beautiful. Yeah, way more came out than I anticipated. So again, this is Purple Galaxy. It's got some shimmer in it. Next is Violet Love. Clean my brush a little bit. I'm not used to working with colors so much. I guess I have no depth perception. Well, that's beautiful. This is Violet Love. That's really pretty. So once again, 5 gram bags. You can order more than that if you want, but $1 a gram. How does this go? $1 a gram. And then after you've ordered, I don't know if it's 5 grams, 5 colors, you get 2 for free. So I think I got the nighttime another gram of that, and then the other one I can't remember how I did it. It might have been this one here, the Purple Galaxy. And last but not least, oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. I would call that like a grayish black with some glitter, and not glitter, but there's shimmer in there, some hollow. Dirty, dirty brush now. Open this and get the air out. Close that up. The next, where I'm even going to swatch out the glitter, which is called Cupcake. See how this looks on a paper towel. Ooh. Very pretty. Very pretty. She did a good job. I give her 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. So I guess you can see this pretty well, except for the glitter. It's really pretty. This has got some shimmer in it. Let's see, the nighttime's got some shimmer in it. Was it the Purple Galaxy? That's got shimmer in it. Beautiful colors. Beautiful, beautiful colors. Love the glitters. Well, here's my little swatch video for today. I know it's not my acrylic series, but I really wanted to show everybody these. I think she did a great job with them. I just wanted to share that with everyone. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the glitters. Would you purchase these? Would you wear them? Let me know down below. If you haven't subscribed, please take the time to do so now. Don't forget to click that bell. Click all, yeah, way you get notified of all future videos. I upload 3 to 4 times a week. This week it's 4, I think. Excuse me. See a little bit of the throat thing going on. But I think these are beautiful. I really do. Well, we have come to our conclusion. 2 thumbs up for Girls for Nails. Remember, go drop her a line. Tell her I sent you. Just nailed it. And have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.